Hey friends, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your account PIN on Amazon Prime. So all you have to do once you're in Amazon Prime, guys, just simply hover over your profile in the upper right hand side, go to accounts and settings from here, and you want to go to the section that's called permissions. So click on this, and here you'll have this first option that says Prime Video Account PIN. You can easily go ahead and set the PIN. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a PIN here. And once I do that, you will see that I now have the PIN set. So all I have to do is just simply go ahead and click on save. And guess what? PIN is now set on my account. So that's it, guys. At any point in time I want to, let's say, access Amazon Prime or do certain things within my account, I will most likely need to enter PIN and so forth. So that's it, guys. You can easily go ahead and set up your PIN on your Amazon Prime account. And at any point in time you really want to, basically change that PIN, you can always go ahead and change the PIN by simply go back into that section here where you have the account and settings and go to the permissions, and you can simply click on the change and you can enter the new PIN there. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.